Look at that sunrise.
Beautiful day to make some quality leather.
You know it.
Careful with the straps. Ensure the documentation matches the crate number before you move it to the trolley.
Careful with that crate, center the weight. Okay, everything seems to be in order here.
This tracking ID doesn't match the certificate of origin.
I see that. Let me cross-reference the batch number now.
The scan is complete. It matches the manifest.
All right, let's move on to the crates you mentioned.
Right this way, madam. The documentation is prepared. We have excellent uniformity across the flanks. The laser confirms the dimensions.
Yes, minimal defects. This lot is exceptional.
See the inconsistency right here. The grain is slightly off pattern.
Noted. The size measurement came back at 3.2 square meters.
The salt didn't fully cure this section. Look at the grain here.
All right, I'll make a note for the tanning process. We should move to the chilled batch now.
The temperature is reading 35.2 Celsius. Noted. The pH is stable at 4.1.
All parameters look good on this batch.
Confirmed. Let's move to the next station.
Sample B12, penetration at 4.2 millimeters. Stability within acceptable parameters.
The stability results look promising.
Yes, penetration is consistent across the sample. Let's log it.
It's still saturated near the center.
Let's hold the pressure for another minute. The thickness here is consistent with the standard.
And the tensile strength on this section?
Holding up well. Document that.
The texture is flawless here, incredibly smooth. And the gauge confirms the durability is exactly where we need it.
See this mark? It's quite deep.
Yes, but the fibers around it are intact. It should pass quality control.
This area here shows some weakness in the grain. Yeah.
Agreed. I'll mark it for conditioning. The tensile strength is acceptable.
Check the grain alignment on this section. It looks good, but let's double check the measurement before the final cut.
If we angle the cut here, we utilize the strongest part of the hide for the main seam.
Yes, that works perfectly.